So basically it's just, a YouTube channel, for Minion and I. We're just going to vlog every Tuesday, we'll try. I have quite a bit of schoolwork to do, so if I'm busy and I can't vlog, I will upload a video of just him singing. If you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can tweet us. I will write our Twitter names in the description. So yeah, if you want, you can ask us questions, ask for a shout out or anything like that, and we'll try and do that, won't we, Minion? Would you put yourself at me? Leave a like if you want. Subscribe, that would be awesome. And Minion is currently barking at an apple. Yeah, he's a pretty boy, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah, you are a pretty boy. So yeah, Minion, would you like to say anything before the video ends? Go for it. You guys are talking is like this, not chirping. Okay, so there you go. You're a good boy. You're a good, pretty boy. Okay, so yes, you're a pretty beauty boy. Okay, so guys, we'll end the video here for you guys. We don't want to drag it on too long. Can't talk today. Yes, you are a pretty boy. We've established that. So yeah, Minion likes to headbang and bark at things when he's happy. Or he'll like to just sing and yell at us. Okay, so we'll end the video here, guys. Yes, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, tweet us, and we will see you guys later.